Keeping your car clean can be a real chore. Lugging around heavy buckets of water or using expensive pressure washers is hard work. And going to a car wash every time is expensive. Now you can clean your car the easy way with Foam Jetter from JML. The 4-in-1 spray nozzle with a built-in soap foamer that turns any hosepipe into a complete home car washing system. Just fill the soap chamber with your favorite car shampoo, attach to your hose, and press the trigger to release a powerful dirt-busting soap-filled spray that will break down dirt and grime. Then simply rinse off for gleaming results. Choose from 4 different spray options to bring home the full car wash experience. Use foam to cover your car with soap suds, stream for concentrated power, vertical for gentle sweeping motion, or cone for wide coverage. The universal connector fits to virtually any hose, while its ergonomic handle and trigger lock provides a comfortable grip. And the built-in flow adjuster means you can dial in exactly how much pressure you need. Washing with a bucket and sponge just spreads dirty, paint-damaging water over the whole car. But cleaning with Foam Jetter is safe and easy. Just fill and spray. Then leave the soap to go to work while it lifts and dissolves mud and muck. Then rinse for a gleaming, spotless finish. Foam Jetter is perfect for cleaning motorbikes and bicycles. Bring your garden and patio furniture back to life. Clean up the kids' play areas. And the adjustable nozzle makes it ideal for use as a regular hose for watering the garden. Forget heavy, messy, dirt-filled buckets and expensive jet washers. Turn your hosepipe into a complete car washing system and give your car a clean it deserves with Foam Jetter from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.